In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bullet point on Discord. If you want to organize your messages and make them easier to read in Discord, using bullet points is a great option. Bullet points help separate ideas, create clean lists, and make important information stand out. Whether you're sharing instructions, writing announcements, or posting notes in a server, Discord supports simple markdown formatting that makes creating bullet points quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you two different ways to do it. The first method is to use the minus sign before your text. Start by typing a minus sign, then press the spacebar once before typing your message. After you've entered the text you want to include in the list, send the message by pressing Enter. Once the message is sent, Discord automatically formats it as a bullet point instead of displaying it as a regular line of text. This method is useful when you're creating a simple list with multiple items. Just repeat the same format for each new line by placing a minus sign at the beginning, followed by a space and the text you want to include. Keeping the same format for every line will help your list remain neat and easy for everyone to read. The second method works in a very similar way, but instead of using a minus sign, you'll use an asterisk at the beginning of the line. Type the asterisk first, add a space after it, and then enter the text you want to appear as a bullet point. When you're finished, press Enter to send the message. Just like the first method, Discord will automatically recognize the formatting and display your message as a bulleted list. This gives you another option if you prefer using the asterisk instead of the minus sign. Both methods produce the same result, so you can use whichever one feels more comfortable. If you're creating a longer message with several bullet points, make sure each new line begins with either a minus sign or an asterisk, followed by a space. This keeps the formatting consistent and ensures every item appears correctly as part of the list. Using bullet points is a simple way to improve readability, especially in busy Discord servers where long blocks of text can be difficult to follow. Organizing your information into a list makes it much easier for other members to quickly understand your message. And that's all there is to it. You now know two easy ways to create bullet points in Discord, using either a minus sign or an asterisk before your text. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,